Don't forget to repeat after me. A fair. A school fair. A local fair. We're having a school fair next Friday. We bought it at the local fair. Decorations. Decorations for a fair. I'm making decorations for the school fair. To put up decorations. Please help me to put up the Christmas decorations. A lot of. It's a lot of work. There's a lot of work to do in the garden. There isn't much work to do in the garden in winter. Is there much work to do at the weekend? On my own. Help me, I can't do it on my own. She can do it on her own. Busy. I'm as busy as a bee today. Show off, I'm busy. They live on a busy street. Need. I have an urgent need. There is no need for shouting. There was no need for you to go. I need your help. If you need anything, just say. Not really. Can you help? No, not really. Do you understand? Not really. Are you busy? Not really. Nice try. Nice try, but you can't fool me. Nice try, but I don't believe you. Yeah, right. Sorry, I'm really busy. Yeah, right. Sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, right. Rather. It's rather cold outside. He's your friend rather than mine. I would rather stay at home